Yes, my listeners and my subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So, I just have some video go on over the weekend. I can see what go on. So, him say Brazil must lose. So, the people in Jamaica celebrate and them thing there. And I have some accidents same way. And some house burned down. So, I want to just stay tuned for them there. Make me know what you think in the comment section. So, I just jump in the video. I can see what go on.
Yo, you me say man? Yo, hi man, oi, we no fight now for what you say no, go on bro.
Sidem, a whole building burned down, and me call 119, and they hang up on me blood clot. Me call 119, after 4 me I look for the call. Me look a girl call me say what's a bun down out of me in the bathroom, naked as the day me born. Me run out of my bathroom and me pit this in me nakedness. Me pit this in me nakedness. And me call 119 and they hang up on me blood clot. See it there? Me call emergency number and they hang up on me. What is in a Jamaica? Me want to know what is in a Jamaica. What taxpayer money I go? Me call 119 and they hang up on me. A Lenelton police me have to ring. Lenelton police me have to ring. Fi call the fire brigade. Cause me don't know fire brigade number. This morning. Homeless or no homeless now? Who no need help?
Just a show no whole situation, we need help.
Today how much? July? If 4th or 5th? 4th of July. 4th of July, see there. 4th of July this morning night before the burn out.
Body wrap up with that one blue, sit down there.
Yes, so I like how I see the fire truck and the ambulance are rolled together from Wadi area. And the woman where her house that burned down and she said she called 911 and them hang up the phone for her. I don't like that. You see me? Because you know see the aftermath with the house in the morning, the flat, everything burn out and people have a reason and attack us. Video see me, I see them want help. That's what I say. I never like that. I never throw early morning and them thing there. You see me? Police them for active 24 hour. I notice when it touch night time certain station them want lock down. I be a fuck the police them go fuck on people on road and them thing there. You see me? I say when it touch night time, cause I have some police too. We go out at night time go fuck on people and them thing there. Some just show you at the end of the day. I like how the ambulance and the fire truck them and roll. One time I can see say at the accident team this. I don't know if at the fire truck them call or the ambulance or whatever, but from what I see them a record on certain scene and they present same way. I see to the people them alright. As when you can hear the man did say him see somebody fall up in a brown bag. You see me a white bag. So yeah, it's a good look. If you can save a life, you save a life. Or someone the police them start deal with it too. On a crime scene. If any little thing happen, ambulance and fire truck if dead. Is what me say and police on the scene to see them where. Them little thing the government now look on and talk about the people them health and safety and certain thing and just be a crime matter about and road and house and foreign and investment. You see what I say? Some listeners and subscribers Money tell, money think.
Judge, God. Yes, Lord. Can't spin.
One more JOTC. Catch a fire. Mountain View this or Mountain View Avenue.
I talk about the people them nasty. You see? Gully come down a while ago and watch her. Watch her. Right on my yard. Right on my yard. All they know dump inside and me do it, you know. Right on my yard. Watch her. You can't do no better. I must do it. Right now, watch her. One feet in the floor. Watch her.
Yo, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Do the silence. Faster, faster. Silence, silence. Assist to assist, dust to dust. Blessing comes to an end. Today is blessing funeral. So we're going to say, all right, be near man. Be near man. God, my sister. What is first song? What is that song? Some feed there,
Buckler. See them good, see them man a superstar. You think see them a worry about girl? I wouldn't worry about girl. And I be a waste man and a fuck. And when the waste man a fuck, you don't accept it, don't? Anything when do, you don't accept it. Don't get involved in a superstar lifestyle. See them good. You may attack my girl. Suck your mother again. Yeah, you go, man. You two. Too enough, man. Them dirty girl, them. Whatever is going on in your life, don't project it on me and my fiance, bitch. We good. If you don't understand how Kartel life set, I'm an entertainer. So you're going to see whole heap of woman around me. I'm going to have to explain nothing to you. So like I said earlier, suck your mother. Yeah. Now ask about see them even like you. Bitch. If you want to know where Sidem is, why you not go on Sidem page, dirty girl? Exactly. And finally, go suck your mother again. My fiance good. Very good. She'll live her best life. Make sure your man can make you live your best life.
Boy, Jamaica people take this match thing as serious, you know. Not telling a lie still. The Brazil fans, them man, you see them come out enough what the and them colors and big flag and big thing. Boy, me I tell you, how much TV me see mash up. So, Vybz Kartel now, judge of the, see money, them say money and power, you know. Money power. From what they be a woman, fishy around Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel and fishy around be a woman too. As well, you must say the celebrity lifestyle. Yeah, I understand. Money power settings. That's why I want to tell the youth them say, focus on themselves. Try set things in a life of house and car and business and money. Take care of yourself, take care of your health. Because them gala, From when up, when you can't get any girl, nothing on runway, focus on yourself, lucky in work. You see Kartel, see life with them money and live and I tell them, say don't worry about Sidem. Sidem and for us live with it right now and cope. Say yo, him change. Cause dog I say yo, artist world and the media world. You see me I say, me don't feel like him not play them game there with Shorty. I feel like Gaza man that play them game there with Shorty at the end of the day, you know. But you see, I just saw it go. So when you have your money, female like I always want to come around. Most if you entertain them. That's why me I say, cause one night time or something, that pray to me and say, what? Come like Kartel and see them left. But I don't see them on a picture. Be a different girl me I see running. But dog I use style as say entertaining. Yeah, them money want to fuck everything, you know. I tell her that. And whole heap of girl want a piece of money too. So girl I go want to flirt and enough up themselves and think pan him. You see it? I just him enough to fall for it. So I want to tell me want to think. Kartel I go on with that we not to see them on the scene again and be a different girl. You see what I say? Yeah man, as a Kartel I say, they entertain a life man.
Look on this now, people. Why all of a sudden him talk make walk in the road? How much you know want bet me son see him down a Black River? How much you know want bet me son go see him a Westmoreland? Yesterday, deported them and they deported money and this make him do this. You see him have all baby in hand. Which Andrew? Watch you know? This is a tactics. This a marketing stunt again. So through the people them a lick up and the deport business in jump out. I go start look here so. Him a go look there so. Which part this and there? Spanish Town. Where you do a Spanish Town bus park? You take bus? People, don't make him chicken now. This is fee marketing. He might try to build up a conversation with the people them. If people start talking about him in the road. Him now and there, so right now he can't wait to put on a little girl for guy yard. And that me I tell you. I did deport them cause this. And member say me telling them say, we not go see him, Westmoreland, Black River, and anywhere else they get damaged. All because the people that talk about the deported them. He might try to distract them. It's not gonna work. Somebody call, look at fire them. Blaze them. Not going to work, boy. Try something else. Pack up and go home. Or them a look on bus, sir.
Jamaicans, are you guys comfortable now in the country? Are you comfortable with how things going on here? If you are not, or if you are, can you share it with me and make a note so that other people can read some of the comments? I'd love to hear somebody else's experience and version of our country. I love Jamaica. I've lived here all of my life and I don't see myself living anywhere else. But there are things in my country that I'm not comfortable with, and I'd like to share one of them. I know that I came on here and when you hear me talk about having a medical situation, that I am hearing from some persons in my community that there is an obsession with me, and that when that's really not the case, is that I keep seeing the pattern repeated even when I have moved on and moved beyond it. I went to a practitioner to get a tooth situation sorted out. The practitioner lied to my face. I was not imagining anything. Lied to my face in the office to tell me one thing. The thing she said made no sense to me because there was no evidence of what was said. I was given a prescription. The prescription does nothing for the issue that I went there for. And when I got home and I sat and I thought about it, I sent an email and I asked her the question, tell me again what it is you said that I have. The response that came in writing had nothing to do with what was said in office. I went through the same darn thing that stole, in my estimation, 6 to 8 years out of my life because I had to recover from the foolishness that was done and write again. 8 years later, the same thing is happening, and I'm saying, what the hell is wrong with you doctors in Jamaica where I can't tell the truth? What is wrong with you? I have come up with three things that I think is wrong with all of you. You're suffering from something called accountabilism. That's what I'm saying, accountabilism. And outside of accountabilism, the next thing you're suffering from is something called ethics-itis. Yeah? Ethics-itis. And the very next third thing that you're suffering from is something called referral syndrome. Those things, accountabilism, ethics-itis, and referral syndrome. I am finding that you guys lack accountability. You don't like it when people push back and ask questions. You lack ethics because the things that you are told should function within the thing that operates. Like, for example, the law when run by and the law when you're supposed to follow, you don't follow it. You have your own law and your own material, and I don't understand why. Why? Why, people? Why? There are 4 things that you can hold a doctor accountable for in the Medical Act of Jamaica: negligence, incompetence, dishonesty. Don't remember number 4. Let's work with those 3 for now. Negligence, incompetence, dishonesty. I just want to say to the medical community this one thing. I never had an issue with any of you. Never did. Until I met up on 2 that completely floor me. I am in a better place today by the grace and the act of my faith in God, and by the grace of God I'm in a better place. But I just do not understand. What is it about? I remember that I went into another office, this time a dermatologist, and the person looked at me and said, "Oh, sorry, I forget, I can't tell you everything. I just need to tell you one thing." And i.e., it's like they have a situation where they piecemeal services to their patients. So the patient have a problem and they fix part of it, tell you to come back. Fix another part, tell you to come back. Fix another part, tell you to come back. There's something called informed consent. That behavior breaks that rule. The point is, accountabilism, ethics-itis, and referral syndrome does not help you all, and it doesn't help us as patients either. If we're all working towards building our country, why is it so hard for some of you to do the right thing? And then, do you know that if you make a mistake, it is okay to take accountability for that mistake? Because when you do, it gives you and the patient an opportunity to heal from the situation, and it gives you an opportunity to learn from the mistake so that you don't make the mistake again. When you're thinking about ethical issues such as not speaking the truth about something because you want to protect something, do you know that ethics trumps everything, because if you can be seen as somebody with integrity and somebody who's trustworthy, you will have more business. More people will refer persons to you. And when you decide that you're not going to accept a patient and go through referral syndrome and push the patient elsewhere, do you know that that has an impact on the person that you're pushing elsewhere? I don't know. What is wrong with you? Is this what you were taught when you went to medical school? Can somebody please explain it to me, because I don't understand. No, honestly, I don't understand. Very simple things become these difficult, complex problems. And when you all make a mistake and you put patients through these complex problems, it is the patients that pay the price.
They are think pan a little thing. Me I look pan Trump tell the ambassador where them send to come deal with Jamaica on some issue regarding to the concept of the Chinese. All of a sudden Trump decides he want the Chinese out of Jamaica. That him even send an ambassador down here with her talking. She bluntly say she has speak to the Jamaican government to get rid of the Chinese. She even go as far as saying if the Jamaican can't get rid of the Chinese, she go and do it herself. See? Now, the Chinese has been here for a long time. My concern I'm curious about is this. Why all of a sudden America so interested in getting the Chinese out of Jamaica, when America itself full of China? Me grew up in a Brooklyn, New York, and in a Manhattan area, you have a place we named Chinatown, full of Chinese, all Chinese language, all over the place. And Trump not have no problem with them. So what the big deal with the Chinese them at Jamaica? The people, we have to start wake up and start pay attention, you know. Now me I wonder again, is it the island we find the America feel like them need for the Chinese out of the way because of them want to manipulate with the Isle? Is it the Isle and them feel like the contribution that Jamaican and Chinese relationship as long as the Chinese present and them might get the bid for help with new purify the Isle? But people, that's something to think about, you know. Because Trump will not get the Chinese out of Jamaica. And the Chinese government look like them willing to fight, for standing in them settings with them there. So again, what's so important about Jamaica? What we don't know?
Good morning, Jamaican people. Open up your eyes and look. You see that little protest where you see go on down a crossroad yesterday? It's the first of many to come. People in this country really are wise up. And as I said, the Prime Minister take the whole away for a piece of shit. And you don't see how Mr. Oldness I push out a full 100 to help the people them down the west who need the housing, food and them thing there. But you, as the Prime Minister and Mr. Chang, can sign the paper for bringing hardened criminal into this country, and Jamaica under enough strain already, and you feel like people would see it. What do you think are going to happen to the little daughter them and son them when them man they start to integrate in a society and bring out them heinous acts in this country? First of all, you have to know this. You see, when you deal with some little petty crime in your country don't dash away. And if you see, them people that come from them country and them country don't want them. Just imagine the atrocities where them commit that them own country don't want them. And our dunce of a prime minister. Cause trust me, with a move like this, Mr. Holness, you're actually dunce. And not just the lifestyle, if you say you're fully dunce. You're a damn dunce. And stupid. And you are going to bring them type of people that in this country and find housing for them. When you can't find housing for your own people who work so hard and then put them finger in a ink to put a man like you in a power in this country for do what? Bullshit. Eh? And where you bring down from Jamaica? You to come like you're going to make a sacrifice and drink some blood or something or do some things that I can't even understand, brother. And your father, where you bring down from the country? Eh? After your security forces analyze so much people, picnic, you say you bring down crime rate. You go as far as you can more criminal in our country, brad man. What kind of heart you have? What kind of mind? What you think about? Eh? You smoke and coke spliff, brother? Eh? You drink some bad rum? Because some form of foolishness make you do what you do, you know, brother. Nobody in Jamaica don't understand your mindset no more, you know. I good citizen them, you know. We put you in a power, you know. At them, I ask you, head in a bro. What you do? Eh? How you sleep at night time? How you get up out of your bed at morning time and say you go work and your work is to govern the country and you do fuckery? Eh? What you do? You not think? What you mind there? Under your wife? Eh? I just see your mind there? Come on, brother. Wise up, man. I see you fool, brother. Eh? What kind of mindset you gonna have when you're the Minister of Security bring off something like this? You not even have no like a meeting nowhere with nobody for say, boy, this is what is going to happen. And you do this and feel like people are going to take it. Mine, you know. Because how Jamaican people are moving a youth. And your head they want for roll down King Street, you know.
Yo, Jamaicans are the least paid people in the Caribbean islands, bro. So, why government make it seem like say $17,000 where people might get paid? That's something big. That's something grand.
Listen to me. October 1, 2026 is coming. Use the time right now to understand and become familiar with the Road Traffic Act. Know the road code. If you have an outstanding ticket, get them cleared up before October 1, 2026. You don't want to accumulate demerit points come October 1, 2026 onward and lose your license. Your license can be suspended. So taximan, busman, deliveryman, drivers on the road, especially if you earn a living by driving, you need to understand the Road Traffic Act. I saw a video recently where a person was saying, boy, how can the police give me a ticket because for seatbelt and I am wearing seatbelt, but because the passenger is not wearing a seatbelt, I get in the ticket? You are the driver. You are the driver. You are responsible for persons in that vehicle. So these are just one of the things that person don't understand. Know the road code. Know the road code. Appraise yourself for the information. Because who can hear?
And you know mean we're not good. And you not never get my vote again. Remember me tell you that. You see what you do to taxi man them a road after you done sell road lights and everything. And you say no transport authority if you run with them. For no beat up bumbleclot road. No good road in Jamaica. I have transport authority and examiner out there inspect people car. But front end no good and car no fit for road. And for no bumbleclot road no fit for car them. And you know what you do.
When me come for talk. So, since it is allowed by the Education Ministry of the Government of Jamaica for school start parents. Because this to me look like extortion. Because me read the list, half of this no make no sense. Maintenance a computer lab. You get me and say? Miscellaneous. And all of them couple other things where the panelists are behind me. Where are these regular parents, poor people who have bright picnic? Where them are going to find their money? They don't have it. You get me and say, because back to school in itself alone expensive. You find textbook and all these things. Uniform, school shoes, You get me I say? On top of this now, the teachers them need to do better. Wanna stop extort the people them. You get me I say? And the Ministry of Education need to look into this. There is no way the school are going to put people out of them way to pay all the money with all the resources that were supposed to be provided by a public school for free. It's not a private school. It's not a private institution. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is a KC. I don't know if KC, I think KC a public school. I don't think KC a private school. But regardless, our people are going to find them money here.
Jamaica, this is the gentleman, Mr. Patrick Beckford, who has asked the US senators. So he has, as you can see here, the Jamaican American advocate has formally requested that members of the New Jersey's congressional delegation launch an inquiry into the third country nationals agreement, the CM deportee program Wagwan. He is asking in a letter that was sent to the federal lawmakers for New Jersey, is asking Cory Booker, Andy Kim, and as well as Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman to demand full transparency from the U.S. government in terms of this deportee deal. So the government of Jamaica has been playing what I consider hopscotch with the Jamaican people. Hopscotch. The jump here, the jump there, the jump there. They try to fabricate the information that they're giving to the people. They literally tell us nothing. You understand? And we keep hearing things, by the way. We don't want to just hear. We want clarity. And that is what our honorable Jamaican Mr. Patrick Beckford is pretty much demanding formally from the US government to give us, the Jamaicans here locally, clarity on what the deal was, how much money them I get. He will be on my program. This gentleman here will be on my program with Wilfred Rattigan, my very good friend and advocate for change for Jamaica, will be on my program tomorrow night. That's the 6th of July.